Yes guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are actually going to be doing another POV drive. I haven't done one for a little while, you know, and the last one, the last one, it kind of banged views. I ain't gonna lie, that shit hit like 1.3k views, so I gotta do another one 100%. You guys seem to enjoy these, I don't know, man, so I might start doing a lot more of these POVs. So yeah, I'm driving a Corsa again, as you guys already know. I'm gonna show you guys what the outside of my Corsa looks like now. You know what I'm saying? Normal Corsa, we got the calipers normal, you know what I'm saying? We got the sprayed grille, we got the shit there, indicators. But yeah, that's what the car's looking like. Debadged recently, all looking smooth. So yeah, we're gonna go for a POV drive real quick. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, so we are on our POV drive. It's the second one I've actually done, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually kind of excited to be doing this. I wasn't gonna film today, but I was like, you know what, fuck it, dog. You know what I'm saying, type of shit. But yeah, pretty much we're just gonna be driving to a random location. I don't really know where I'm driving. I'm literally just gonna drive and see where I end up. It's the best POVs are always the ones where you're just chilling, driving, whatever. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, I'll put my foot down a bit, you know what I'm saying, hear some fucking roar of the engine type of shit, you know what I'm saying. This guy's driving like 80 miles per hour, yeah, fuck. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful, these nerds, mate. But yeah, you guys enjoyed the last one I did. You guys like enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying? I got like 1.3k views on that, and that's like one of my most viewed videos. So I knew 100% I need to do another one of these, and I'm excited to actually be doing this again. Like, and the thing is with these videos, I can film them more often because they're easier to film. Like, they don't take too long to film. You can pretty much just jump, like pretty much wherever I go, I can film a POV basically, which is the reason why I kind of enjoy it. I enjoy that you guys enjoy these videos basically. But yeah, there's gonna be one big roundabout today, you know what I'm saying, show you guys how to do a round. I do drive a bit mad, I'm not gonna lie. Like, compared to most people, I'll probably drive a bit you know what I'm saying, a bit questionable, but you know what I'm saying, I'll be safe, you know what I mean, we'll drive alright. I do have a black box in, so your boy's got to be careful with these certain speed limits and shit. And I'm wearing a face covering because my boy, I legit have a flipping, what's it called, a GoPro on my head, and I look retarded, bro. So yeah, learner driver, mate. Used to be me back in the day. Oh yeah, lessons are back now, aren't they? Oh, that was my bad. I didn't even fucking I wasn't even concentrating. Fuck yeah, no. Can anyone hear that air filter though? Can anyone hear that air filter? Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Mate, I was literally, yeah, the funny thing is, I know some people are like, oh yeah, get an exhaust. I was legit looking at getting an exhaust, and there was like, because the Cobra Run that everyone talks about and everyone knows about is like 289 pounds. Bro, that's like a quarter of my Corsa price. Why would I pay that? Awesome. Okay, if anyone can give me a valid reason why I would pay 289 pounds, basically a quarter of how much my car costs on an exhaust, when I'm not, if this is like a first car, it's not a car I'm keeping forever, like it's legit just a first car. So why would I spend that much money? It doesn't make sense. Like, that's why. So I was looking at an exhaust on eBay, it was like 74 quid. It's a Corsa one, it's called like Hornet or something. I was like, you know what, let me just try getting a little cheaper one, you know what I'm saying, something a bit more reasonable, so I ain't paying too much money for it. And yeah, I was watching reviews and shit on YouTube of like how it sounds compared to the Cobra one. I can understand why people buy the Cobra one because it genuinely does sound good. That's the thing, like it does sound good, like I cannot lie. The one that I was looking at on eBay legit sounded like, when I, like, basically after a wank, you know what I'm saying, sometimes I'll just be like, oh! You know what I'm saying, that's pretty much what the exhaust sounded like. That's why I'm just not 100% sure whether I should get it or not. That's why I kind of just didn't get it, and I just tried to look at something else that I can get basically. What is wrong with this roundabout, bro? Why is it, fam? I swear, yeah, half the time I go on this roundabout, it's like this. It's just fucking got cones everywhere and shit. Like, I don't know what this is. You know what I'm saying? A beautiful Toyota Yaris in the front of me. You know what I'm saying? Looking quite tantalizing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys do want to see more POV videos of this beautiful Corsa, definitely hit that like button, because the likes shows me that you like what you're seeing basically. That's why I do appreciate if you guys like the video, so I know what like videos you guys want to see me do more of basically, if that makes sense. I hate when there's traffic. I think I chose the wrong day to film this, you know. I'm not even gonna lie, because this traffic's ridiculous. Like, what is this? I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for this whole video. Look at that, mate. No one can say my air filter don't sound like porn. It literally, bro, my air filter sounds better than that exhaust that I was looking at. Like, what the fuck is this? Look at the shifts! Look at the fucking shifts! Look at the handling! Look at the handling! Look at the handling! Come on! Look, come on! Bro, you can't shift like me, bro. You can't shift like me. You can't. You just can't. I'm just the best shifter. DMO, where are you at, bro? My shifts are just cracked. I'm sorry, like, my shifts are just too good. Like, what, did you see what I'm doing with this Corsa? I'm treating this Corsa like it's a Honda Civic, bro. Where do we go from here? I'm just cracked. I just am. Now we're doing 50. This is the fastest I've ever gone in my whole entire life. Life's changed. Clearly, as you can see, life is completely changed. Your boy's doing 50. When was the last time I did 50? Never. I do 20. My whole, everywhere I live is 20. Like what's going on, bro? It's actually mad. But yeah, I get way too gassed driving this car, bro. Like, I know there's a fat roundabout coming up. It's like the most, like, what's it called, renowned roundabout. I don't even know what exit I'm taking, but your boy's taking an exit. That's all I know. Your boy's taking an exit. All right, so I want to go to. Okay, cool. And there's more traffic. Drop that into second. Look at that! Listen to it! Listen to it! Like, what? Like, come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Look at the bro. Call me Lewis Hamilton, bro. Legit, yeah, you guys wouldn't believe this, but my driving instructor at the time, he legit, yeah, one time we had a lesson and it was actually mad. Like, I don't know what happened. I must have drank some hardcore stuff. Like, I don't know what I drank, but bro, I was driving mad that day. That was like the best lesson I ever had in my life. Like, it was like 2 weeks out from my test, and I just fucking, I don't know what was going on, but that day I was driving like an insane person, bro. Like, I don't know what I was doing, but it was mad. And my driving instructor was like, bro, you might as well be a racing driver, bro. You drive like Lewis Hamilton. I said, huh? Yeah, you drive. I was like, what? Yeah, you legit, bro. You drive like Lewis Hamilton. I was like, mate, I'm not surprised, mate. The way I drive sometimes, ridiculous, bro. It's actually cracked. Bro, it's actually mad, fam. It's actually mad. Like, me versus look, if you guys look, I want you guys to tell me who I should race. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to race a person. I don't know who I'm gonna race, but I'm trying to race someone. So definitely let me know who you guys think I should race. You know what I'm saying? DMO has that D-Max 250. He was like, alright, look, YouTubers, anyone, blah blah blah, that want to race each other. Listen, I'm trying to go there. I'm trying to hit DMO up. You know what I'm saying? Me, I can race someone in my Corsa. You know what I'm saying? 1.4. This thing's pushing like 300 brake horsepower. It's mad. So look, DMO, if you can, anyone who can find me a person who can fucking race me, yeah, I'll spin their coupe, I'll spin this coupe, and I'll win the race 100%. I don't doubt it. I actually don't doubt I'll win. Like, I'll put this car, yeah, will probably pace a Ford Focus RS. Like, you guys probably think I'm joking. I'm not joking. I'm being completely serious here. This car will pace the Ford Focus RS. I need to stop. I need to stop. I just don't want people looking at me, right? That's why I'm looking and I put my mask up. I'm like, yeah, look, I don't want you staring at my boat while I'm flipping got a GoPro on my head, yeah? It's basically like having your balls out on while you're driving. Like, it's just, nah, bro, it's bare exposed. I don't like it. They better look into my eyes. I'm like, bro, why have you got a GoPro on your head? Low key, I've only got 500 subs. I'm just trying to make it in life, bro. Like, what's going on? Oh my days, I just remembered. Boys, I have some flipping mods going on the car. It's gonna make the car look completely different to what it looks like now. Like, the mods I'm going to do, you won't even recognize. If I did these mods, I didn't tell you, you would not recognize this car, bro. You legit won't recognize this car. Yep, of course she's gonna do. Look at her. This girl is crazy. Bruv, it was a yellow and she's still fucking crossed, bruv. Imagine if I didn't. Oh my fucking days. Fuck me. Imagine, fam. Mate, if I was put my foot down, I would have pasted that guy just then, you know. Like legit, he's in an Audi, I would have pasted him, bro. Like no cap, I would have pasted him. I don't want to go beside them again, bro. Oh, you fucking bitch, you fucking bitch. Look at them shifts. Look at them shifts. Look at them fucking shifts. Don't cross, you crazy. People are insane, bro. Listen to the exhaust. Listen to the air filter. Like, listen to that, bro. I know the speed camera, so let me calm down. But bro, it sounds spectacular, boy. Spectacular, boy. So I know there's basically, I know where I am, but I haven't driven here before. No, I've driven here once, basically, and yeah, that was like when I was new to driving, and boy oh boy, it was a struggle. It was absolutely ridiculous. The way I tried to drive around here, I should be banned from driving. It was absolutely ridiculous, bro. I remember I was so confused with this roundabout. I was like, oh, do I go this way, do I go that way? I wasn't sure, but you know what, your boy figured it out eventually. It was kind of mad, but your boy figured it out. Even now I'm just like, bro, I know, oh, it's just okay, yeah, both the lanes go straight. All right, well, yeah, I don't want to go right beside this guy, bro. He's gonna look in my face, fam. I'm just saying, imagine if I wasn't recording this whole time. I had a few people asking me on Instagram about like Corsas and how much they should buy a Corsa for, and how much insurance is, and this, that, and this, that. I've had quite a few people ask me about those stuff, so I might as well just like let you guys know in this video, or tell you guys a little bit about like Corsas and how much that you can get a decent one for, and insurance and stuff like that. So pretty much I would say personally you can get a decent Corsa for like 1.9 to like, I'll say like 1.9 to like 2.5 you can get a decent Corsa for. Below that you can get a Corsa, but it's most likely gonna have like faults or like a loads of miles. Like my mileage is, look, I think I got mine at like 78,000 miles, which is, it's quite old. It's an old car. Like I ain't rich, like I can't afford to buy some mad car, like, so I just bought what I can afford at the time. So, and this car hasn't, like, it's done well, like genuinely it doesn't like mess up on me or anything like that. It's like, it's good, so don't worry too much about the mileage. But obviously you don't want to get something too old that's got too many problems or this, that, so you always look into stuff like that when you're buying a Corsa, I would say. And yeah, obviously look out for scratches, see if you can knock off a bit of the price when they ask you and stuff like that. But definitely look around. One thing I didn't do is look around. That's one thing I didn't do, bro. One thing I did not do is look around when I was getting a Corsa, bro. Like, I legit, bro, I saw this car, I was like, yep. And that was it, bro. Everything else was written in the stars, mate, fam. That's legit how it happened. Like, I didn't look properly, I didn't this, that, because if I took time to actually look at what, like, the options that I had, I would have got the SRI 5-door. But at the time, I didn't even know the fucking, I don't even know if the 5-door had an SRI. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Because clearly I didn't look properly. Like, if I knew that, I would have got SRI. But you know what I'm saying? So definitely look around and make sure you know exactly what you want. Different models have different features, you know what I'm saying? Some have heated seats, some have don't. Some have like the side skirts already on them, and the bumper, like, there's loads of different Corsas. So 100% look around before you buy one. And also insurance prices now, it's gonna vary, obviously, your area and this, that. This guy's crazy, bro, look at him. So it's gonna vary, like your area, etc., and stuff like that's gonna vary. So sometimes it'll be cheap, sometimes it'll be expensive. Like mine was expensive, you know what I'm saying? But obviously I have a job, so I can pay for it. But yeah, like I do pay monthly for mine because it's just easier. But if you can afford to buy it for the whole year, definitely buy it for the whole year, because it works out cheaper. But yeah, like overall, like the reason why I got this Corsa, because I know it's cheap to run, cheap parts, cheap, basically everything is cheap, you know what I'm saying? And I know I've got it for content, because I know it's a relatable car, and I know that people will like relate to it, like if I make videos on Corsas. So that's another reason why I got it. Like I was gonna get a Volkswagen Golf, but the insurance for it was like double what I'm paying now for my Corsa. Like, it was actually mad. So I knew to just get a Corsa, and maybe in the future I can get a better car, and in the future I can get a better car, next future you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm gonna work my way up to a better car. But yeah, overall Corsa, solid car. I'd give it a 6.5 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? It's a good car for a first car, man. It's a good car for a first car, 100%. And yeah, save up, look around, don't just buy it. You know what I'm saying? Don't just buy whatever Corsa you see. Like, just look around, have a look at a few, check them out. Make sure you bring someone who knows about cars so they can proper check your car and make sure that it's not gonna have any problems in the future and that. But yeah, that's the tips I got for you guys, mate. But yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but straight ahead there's a McDonald's. This is the college I actually used to go to. Like, it's all the way up there. There's the college that I used to go to, and I used to go to this McDonald's every single flipping day. I'm pretty much gonna take a left and we're coming up to our destination. I don't know whether I can park in that car park or not, but you know what I'm saying, we're about to find out. All right, so yeah, my camera died. So if you did enjoy this video though, leave a like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'll do a lot more of these if you guys, you know what I'm saying, hit like 20. If you guys hit like 30,000 likes, you know what I'm saying. If you hit a good amount of likes, I'll definitely do more of these POV drives. You know what I'm saying? I had fun. I don't know where I am right now. You know what I'm saying? But because my battery went down on my camera and I kind of got confused and I was kind of, you know. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you are new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, peace.